I've seen this type of question on GCSE exams before. It's a fairly general test of your knowledge of rational and irrational numbers. We want to find a rational number between 9 and 10. Any rational number will do. 9.5 we know is rational since it's a terminating decimal, and it's between 9 and 10, so this would do. Equally well, 9.3 recurring is between 9 and 10, and being a recurring decimal, this is also a rational number. So 9.5, 9.3 recurring, and indeed many other choices would be the answer to this question. We now want to find an irrational number between 9 and 10. This is more difficult, but bear in mind that pi is 3.1415 and so on, and you could always retrieve this number from your calculator if it's a calculator paper. If we multiply pi by 3 times pi is clearly going to be 9 point something, and therefore is between 9 and 10. Since pi is an irrational number, 3 pi is also an irrational number. And faced with this type of question, we could always do it this way: find an appropriate number to multiply pi by so that it's in the range that you're given.